what's up? My name is Tanya.
What's up?
Hey, तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो? मेरा ट्यूटोरियल चल रहा है इसमें तुम लोग नहीं हो.
What?
Just kidding. So, my name is Tanya Bhushan and we are from Kings United. She is Nisha. Sorry, Nisha. Okay, so whatever. So hope you've checked out our Bollywood choreography on Chote Chote Flex.
पिला दे दीवानी मैं हूँ जिसकी I'm a bad girl I like whiskey.
And I know we are a little bit late, but we thought to come up with a tutorial video, so let's get started. So let's do the first step. For the first step, you have to step your left leg forward. And while doing this, stretch your hands towards the front and make sure you have jazz hands. While doing this, bend towards the front and make sure you have head facing towards the ground. And up. Let's do it together. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1 and 2. After this, open your legs towards the left and आपका जो body होगा वो left side face करेगा. After this, open your hands straight up and pose. And make sure आपके जो face हो वो भी left side face कर रहा हो. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1. Then take a half spin and then go down. So while you go down, you have to bend your right leg and straighten your left leg like this. And then up. So 1 and 2. Now here you have to fist your arms and then hit twice. 1 and 2. And while doing this, you have to step towards the back. So let's do it together from the down. 5, 6, 7. Up and 1, 2. So here we complete our 8 count patch. Let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Spin and down and 1, 2. So let's try it on the music.
पिला दे दीवानी मैं हूँ.
So this is the last step where we ended, and इसके बाद हमको सामने देखना है. And we'll do a back step where first we'll take our hands back and front and straight and in. So while doing this, chest out, in, out, in. Let's do it together. 5, 6, 7. Go. Out, in, out, in. And now with this, we'll have to tap our legs twice. 1 and 2 and. So now let's do the whole step together. 1 and 2 and. So after this, we have to make our hands fist and hit it to the waist, as in 1 and 2. Now after this, clap your hands towards the front and sit down. And after this, up and up. So again, one more thing, when we sit down, we have to bend our upper body towards the down and legs straight and up. Let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1 and 2 and hit, clap, down, up and up.
पिला दे दीवानी मैं हूँ जिसकी I'm a bad girl I like whiskey. पिला दे.
So this was our last position. After this, we have to keep our hands like this and wave towards the front like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So 2 and 4, we'll be moving our legs as in 1 and up and 2 and twist. So after this, we have to walk towards the left 1 and 2. And while doing this, we'll be opening our hands straight and then cross. Let's do it from here. 5, 6, 7. Go. Walk, walk. And then we have to take a whole spin. So make sure you keep your hands straight up when you take a spin. And then after that, a squat. So here we complete our patch. Let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Walk, walk, spin and squat.
Girl I like whiskey. पिला दे दीवानी मैं हूँ जिसकी I'm a bad girl I like whiskey.
So guys, this was our last position. After this, we have to hit our waist towards the right with the hands. Let's do it. Right, left, right. Right, left, right. And then after this, we have to hit our hands towards the left and then chest and then hit. And the legs, we have to tap and up and tap. So let's do the whole step together. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2. Now after this, we have to keep our hands together and then round and round. And then again we have to tap our legs twice, that is 1 and 2. Now the whole step would look like 1 and 2 and. So here we complete our patch. Let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.
Bad girl, I like whiskey. जब मुझको चढ़ जाती तो नशे में हो जाती मैं रुस्की बना देती.
So this was our last position. After this, we'll do a very simple floor work where we'll go very slowly, step by step. So we'll first sit and then sit towards the ground. Then take a small spin, keeping our hands towards the front. Then taking this position and up. So let's do it again properly in the count. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. After this, we have to take 2 steps forward, only the legs, as in 1 and 2 and. So now let's do it with the hands. The hands would be first a wave and then a grab. Let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and. After this, we have to face towards the front and then there's a back step which looks like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So here we complete our patch. Let's do it from the beginning. This was our last position. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and ta-da-da-da-da.
जब मुझको चढ़ जाती तो नशे में हो जाती मैं रुस्की बना दे दीवानी मैं दिलचस्पी. I'm a bad girl, I like whiskey.
So hope you all enjoyed our video. Thank you so much Tamanna and Nisha for helping me out in this video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you want more tutorial videos, comment below. Thanks.